Hello, this is Kenzie. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview on my hedgehog supplies. As you can see, I used a 105 quart Sterilite bin. It measures 32 by 19 by 13 inches. Up top I used a 15 quart latch box, and that one is 12 by 17 by 6 inches. Connecting the two, I used a Flexa spout, which is made by Amerimax, and basically it's designed for use with gutters. It's like a really big bendy straw. And because my top, I call it the loft, because it has really short walls, I had to keep the lid on it, but to do so safely, I made a large hole and covered it with some insect screen and taped that in place. So it's really easy for it to latch on and off. And I decided to use that as kind of like a dig box, and I filled it up with some large fleece scraps. Next, you will notice I use a fleece liner, and I made this tube right here out of a Parmesan cheese container, like this one. All you have to do is cut off the bottom, smooth out the edges, and line it with fleece. It was really simple, so I hope that she likes it. Looks kind of cute. It reminds me of a watermelon. I have a little plushie there, and then this is a flying saucer wheel, 12 inches in diameter. And over here, that's going to be my litter pan. I got this from a thrift store, so I think it was for serving like crackers on or something, I don't know. And then this is my food, water, and treat bowls right there. Up top, you will see I use a ceramic heat emitter setup, and basically this is a plastic table, and I used the grooming arm from my dog table, which was really easy to use. Wow, that was on cue. And I secured it in place using a bungee cord, just to make sure that the clamp doesn't go anywhere. It's a 10-inch diameter Fluker's lamp. And then underneath, there's this ceramic heat emitter, 100 watts. To keep that running safely, I use a thermostat, and this one is a PF1000, and they called it a heat controller. I got it online. It's really simple and kind of neat. Basically, all you have to do is turn the dial to your desired temperature, and then it has 3 little outlets on the bottom, and one of them goes to, as you can see, the lamp is just plugged right in there. So then there's a thermometer probe, which is that black one there, and then the third one basically just goes right into the wall down there. So what happens is, for those of you that aren't familiar with a thermostat, the thermometer probe is set to a certain temperature, and when it gets too cold, it automatically turns on whatever's plugged in, which happens to be the lamp, and then the lamp will heat it up, and then when it gets to the desired temperature, it turns off again. So it's really automatic and super easy to use. And then right there, I have a little ZooMed thermometer, and I just turned mine back on, so just to show you guys. But usually I have it set to about 74 degrees or so. And then these I got from a garage sale for only $1. There's 20 of them. And basically I'm going to be putting her food in here so that in the morning it's got like a nice little glass lid. And in the morning all I have to do is just come in, and I'll have it already pre-counted, and all I have to do is just dump her food in. So that's pretty simple. This is an igloo. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. It's really small, like on the small side. It's designed for a hamster, so if I do use it, she won't fit in it very long. But on the bottom I have more fleece liners. I made, I think, 15 of them. And then yesterday's news, that's the litter I'll be putting in the litter pan. This is my hard-sided carrier. Yeah, it was used for my dog, or when she was a little puppy. The spacing I think is fine. It's really sturdy, and it's got like a seatbelt strap and everything, so that's pretty cool. Over here I have my scale, which is Pretty neat. It measures in grams, which is desired for hedgehogs, and I will show you. This is my wash. So yeah, that's 288 grams. Yeah, so for the bath I have a Vino Baby shampoo, as well as my toothbrush and ShamWow. And Libby wants to make a guest appearance. Libby! Hiyo, Libby! Are you sitting on the blankets? Are those your blankets? No, those are not your blankets. Those are new Hedgie's blankets. Libby is being a jealous big sister right now. Okay, so then I have, this is a heat pack, or an ice pack. It goes both ways, kind of cool. And it's really, if it gets a little bit too cold, and I'm cuddling with her or something so that she's nice and warm. What are you doing? Libby? Libby? What? Yes. I sewed these blankets for her, and yeah, this green one was a pain to make. This material, okay, for future reference, if you're curious, it's not very sewer machine friendly. Granted, I have a really old sewing machine, but it's very slippery on the back side, so it made it very difficult to sew. And then this cute black paw print one. Libby, what are you doing? Oh goodness, bless you. And then these are my Hedgie bags, and I'm very proud of this one. It's my capris, an old pair of capris, and so on the outside, the back has a pocket, and the front has a pocket. It's pretty cute. And then it's fleece lined. And then this one is kind of an awkward length, but I don't know. I can see where she'd get nice and cozy in the back. So there we go. That's basically the essentials. There's my sewing machine. That's my grooming table for Libby. That's all Libby's stuff. Libby, you want to say goodbye? Say goodbye.